How to add hyperlink in PowerPoint. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add hyperlink to PowerPoint. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to make or add your hyperlink to your PowerPoint, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. Launch your PowerPoint application. After that, simply go to and create a presentation, for example, a blank presentation. For now, I'm just gonna go and create a blank presentation, and on the very first page, I'm just gonna type in my link on the main box. Just type in my link. You may just type in whatever you want, but I'm gonna type in my link for now. And after that is done, after you are done typing, just head over to the insert section. At the top, you can find it beside home. Just click on insert, and when you click on it, you'll be finding various options here. You're just gonna head over to the option called link here. First, select the text. First of all, select the text. After selecting the text, you'll be finding this link option. Just click on it. Just click on the link here, and what you're gonna do is simply add in the link that you wanna add it to your PowerPoint. Here at this address section, just copy and paste the link. After that, simply tap on OK, and your link will be directly on your PowerPoint presentation. Whenever you click on it, you'll be redirected to the link that you provided. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to add a hyperlink to your presentation. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.